Hey friends, how has everyone's week been? On the day this video is posted, we are about a week and a half out from Hurricane Ian here in Florida. Now that we've had a little bit of water and power is back, we felt like we were in a good place where we could get the house put back together and get to cleaning. Today we are doing an extreme clean with me. I hope this video gives you all the motivation that you need to get your home all nice and tidy.
To the groove and the light that flickers. We get lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. We get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment. And don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. The air get thinner. I'm standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us.
I bought this organizer at Target and I will be showing you later in the video how I'm going to be using it.
I've been beaten to the ground, dragged across the dirt. I've been scared to live cause some people never learn. But they're not gonna watch me burn. Cause baby I got you. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco lights. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not afraid to love you. They always bring up.
As I mentioned earlier in the video, we are fresh out of a hurricane. Looking on the bright side of all that our community has gone through, we are so grateful for the little things right now. We were honestly a little emotional to even get to do our dishes. How blessed we are to have the water and electricity to run our dishwasher and do things like laundry. It really sends us over the moon right now.
I don't care about the feelings, not anymore. So let's show them that love is pure. No matter who it's for. It's a new beginnings and a better life. It's the dancing underneath the disco light. They can try but they can never take me down. Cause I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to love, not was at the wrong place at the right time. 'Cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down.
Hey everyone, today's video is going to be just cleaning the entire apartment. We are post Hurricane Ian. Today we finally got back water, so we have water and power now after the storm, and we just thought today was a really good day to get our house back together. We had to move things around from the storm, kind of made ourselves a little hideout in the closet, so we're just going to finally wash all our bedding, start washing clothes, and I have a warm coffee because it's actually one of the bright sides of the storm was it brought really good weather, so it's been a little chilly outside, nice and breezy, but it's actually kind of cold in the house. Let's just keep going with the cleaning motivation. Let's go ahead and strip the bedding and throw that into the washing machine. Well, I've never been so happy for chores. Yes.
And you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love a little louder, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud, love out loud. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud.
You've told me more than once to show you my intention. My brain gets blocked at times, but now somehow I'll give you my attention. You've got to know that I ain't a person who understands all the clockwork of our romance. You make me feel so alive, always there in my mind. But I just don't know, I just don't know if I'll dance with the lights on. If you're gonna be moving on solo, wait a second, 'cause they're playing the best song. I'll be there if you reach out to me. Reach out to me. Reach out to me. I'm a rolling stone tonight, never to be settled. Although I know I can't deny your eyes, I've got this inner battle. I don't know how to act. I ain't a person who understands the commitment of a romance, but somehow I need you close. I'll go wherever you go. But I just don't know, I just don't know.
I recently saw a video online that said a lot of people are actually vacuuming too fast. So I know this clip is sped up, but I have been focusing on vacuuming a lot slower to give the vacuum time to actually clean the carpet. And I've been going over it in 2 different patterns. So I will do vertical rows of vacuuming and then I'll do horizontal rows, just so that I can make sure I'm hitting the carpet from every direction.
Reach out to me. I'm done with searching for the truth somewhere else when I just want
Now that I have the vacuum emptied out, I'm just going to go back over this carpet with the vacuum and suck up the deodorizer that I sprinkled on the carpet earlier. I really love this deodorizer. If you have pets, it really helps just to keep your carpets not to smell too musty. I think sometimes when their fur gets stuck in our carpet, it does leave behind not a bad odor, but definitely a scent. And so this just helps you to keep it fresh and clean so that your home can smell like your candles and your air fresheners and not your pets. Even though we do love them and they are really, really cute.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And we've been flying high. Are we going too far? I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you. But I don't care about that. But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know it can burn me down, but I don't care about it. 'Cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere, as long as you're with me. Oh, I'm drunk and I know it, but I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no.
Under my bathroom sink is a disaster that I have been putting off for months, but I can confirm that decluttering under my sink is like working out for some people. Hard to get motivated to start, but I was so glad I did it once I was done. The end result was amazing.
'Cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it.
before the storm, we washed all of our clothes, but we didn't get around to washing our bedding during prep. So when I say sleeping on these clean sheets made me feel like $1,000,000, man, do I mean it. Romanticize all the little things because eventually they do become everything.
Been looking for some help just to find myself. Yeah. Been losing my focus like 1,000 times before. Can't take this anymore.
Alright, so we are now in the bathroom, and I decided to, off camera, go ahead and take everything out of the cabinets and the drawers that are in the bathroom vanity, and then I kind of laid everything out and then decluttered. So I'm hoping that what I can do from here is see what'll still fit into the organizers that I have, and then basically if you don't fit, you gotta go. I've already like downsized it. I'll show you what's on the counter here, and then we will get started. I have this new organizer that I got from Target that is hopefully going to replace those 2 large stacking gray containers that you saw me take out of the cabinets that were not working, and they also didn't really fit into the cabinets. You kind of had to like smush them to get them in and then smush them to get them out, so it's kind of pointless redoing that. Let's see what we can get organized. Okay, so here's some of the stuff organized. I have lotions, soaps and body washes, sprays, perfumes, skin cares, deodorants, a crap ton of deodorant, hair care, and just random things. I kind of put them into their kind, and then hopefully from here we can just start organizing everything.
I got my problems. Lately I've been fading out, holding out, waiting just for somebody to love and to surround me and to handle my emotions. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. Every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time. It's all been a waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. Waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out waiting for something, and if I close my eyes, it's all been a waste of time. I was out driving every mile, and now if I rewind, it's all been a waste of time.
I know you guys can't really see it, but back here there's like a knob that stops and starts the water down here, and it's blocking this from being pushed back any further, so I feel like there's wasted space. I think I need to take this out and put it over on this side.
On my own, the world keeps on spinning round.
Alright, so in this first drawer that I have here, I have some extra cotton swabs, some razor refills, an extra toothbrush, some bar soap, some lotion, and then these are like itch creams and stuff. And then in the second one, this is like makeup and then Chance's shaving stuff. So I have beauty blenders here. Underneath I have like extra mascara, extra lash glue for work since I'm a performer and I need to wear falsies a lot for work. Some extra remover. These are extra palettes, but they're like crazy colors, so again for certain shows. And then this is all of Chance's shaving stuff in this black bag here. This bottom drawer here has Epsom salt in the back, and then these are all refill kinds of things. So refill of our sunscreen, our daily sunscreen, toner, makeup remover, makeup oil, deodorants, sprays, lotions, toothpaste, stuff like that, extra skincare. So that's all that.
A chance to make things right. Know everything changed so suddenly. How come everyone's so in
day because sometimes you can't get it all done in just one.
Yeah.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different.
I am so grateful that Chance stepped in front of the camera to help me clean and create content for all of you. Big shout out to all the amazing partners out there that keep homes running.
You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah. No stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah, yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah.
I hope you all got so much motivation from today's video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I'm looking forward to seeing you all next week with a brand new video. Bye guys!